Ladies and boys and girls, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this falling building animation in After Effects. First, let's bring our image into the timeline. You can download the project files for free using the link in the description. I will start by increasing the scale slightly. Now, right-click the image, choose Pre-Compose, select Move All Attributes into the new composition and hit OK. Double-click the Pre-Comp. Here I am going to cut the buildings into separate parts using the Pen tool. I will rename this first layer Bottom and create a mask around the bottom part. Next, duplicate the layer with Ctrl plus D or Command plus D. Press M to reveal the mask and delete it. Rename it Middle. Now use the Pen tool again to mask the middle part. Do the same process for the remaining top parts of the building. Once all the pieces are ready, let's pre-compose the top 3 layers. Start with the middle layer, right-click, pre-compose. OK. Then double-click to open it. Inside, I will quickly create a temporary white solid. Right-click, New, Solid. Place it below. Then draw the shape you need with the pen tool. Make sure fill is solid and stroke is off. After that, delete the white solid and go back to the previous comp. Now place this new comp under the bottom layer. Repeat the same steps for the top and super top parts. Place the top comp below the bottom comp. And super top comp at the very bottom. Next, enable 3D for all layers and turn on motion blur. Now let's add a camera and a null object. Make the null 3D and parent the camera to the null. Open the null's position. Set a keyframe at the start. Move to 1 second and move it upward. Apply easy ease. Open the graph editor and adjust the speed graph. Move the end keyframe a little closer. Now select the middle comp and animate its position. Place a keyframe, move forward a few frames and lift it upward. Repeat the same animation for the top and super top comps. Easy is all the keyframes and shift the first ones to the beginning. Then move forward a few frames and animate them falling down. Bring the top and super top ending keyframes closer together and place the middle combs ending keyframe slightly later. Next, for the null object, open rotation. Set a Z rotation keyframe. Move a few frames forward and rotate it about 10 degrees. Easy is again. Open position, move to the last keyframe and increase position C to around 150. Now add another null object above the first one. Pair a null 1 to null 2. Set a Z rotation keyframe on null 2. Move forward a few frames and rotate to minus 20 degrees. Easy is and pull the keyframes closer. Move forward again and adjust to minus 10 degrees. Next, we will use the puppet tool to animate one part of the building. Add your pins. Move a few frames forward and animate the motion. Easy is also your rotation keyframes. Open null 2's position and set a keyframe. Move forward and reduce the C position to around minus 179. Increase null 1's C position to around 509. And null 2's to around minus 483. We are almost done. Go back to the main comb. And add your text with the type tool. For the test animation, add another camera and null. Set a position keyframe, move forward and adjust the Z position. Ease both keyframes. Add spacing between the two test layers. And that's it, ladies and boys and girls. If you find this video useful, give a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.